Hello students, this is Indrani ma'am from Rasayan. In this lecture I am going to explain some more question on hydrocarbons for NEET exams. Which compound shows dipole moment? 4 compounds are given. Remember, symmetrical compounds are having 0 dipole moment, means mu is equal to 0. What is 1,4-dichlorobenzene? This is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Now see here, this is symmetrical molecule. That means 2 Cl groups are at symmetrical position. This compound is having 0 dipole moment because this is having bond moment in this direction, this is having bond moment in this direction, and net dipole moment is equal to this one. Since these two are having same dipole moment, so here we can write mu square plus mu square means 2 mu square plus 2 mu into mu means 2 mu square cos 180 degree. Cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1. Therefore, this part is coming root under 2 mu square minus 2 mu square. Therefore, it is 0. This is non-polar molecule. This is trans 1,2-dichloroethane. Bond moment of this and bond moment of this cancels each other. This is having symmetry. So here also dipole moment is 0. This is non-polar molecule. This is trans butene. Since this carbon is sp2 hybridized and this carbon is sp3 hybridized, so this is having partial negative charge, it is having partial positive charge. Similarly, this carbon is sp2 hybridized, therefore it is having delta minus. Since this carbon is sp3 hybridized, it is having delta plus charge. So here bond moment directions are in this direction and here in this direction, and due to symmetry bond moments, these two bond moments cancel each other, and this here net dipole moment is 0. Therefore, this compound is also non-polar. What is about 1,2-dichlorobenzene? In 1,2-dichlorobenzene, symmetry is not there. These two Cl groups are not at symmetrical position. So here between these two CCl bond, there is bond angle 60 degree. Therefore here mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos 60 degree, this value is not 0. It is having some value because cos 60 degree is half. So this is not is equal to 0. That means it is having some polarity. So this compound is showing some dipole moment. Next question. The IUPAC name of the following compound is 4 options are given. Now see, this compound is having one double bond and one triple bond. From this side double bond is at one position, from this side triple bond is at position 1. So which will get priority? In this situation always double bond will get priority than triple bond because both are having same position. Now main chain is having 4 carbon atoms. So do numbering in this direction. Since double bond is getting priority over triple bond, since both are having same position, therefore this compound is 1 butene at 3 position, triple bond is there, so 3 ine. Main chain is having 4 carbon atoms, so but. Therefore option D is your answer. Next question. The reaction of these with HBr produces which compound? What is the product of this reaction? 4 compounds are given. Now see, addition of HBr to double bond takes place by Markovnikov rule because here no peroxide is present. Markovnikov rule means positive part of this will add to that carbon of the double bond which is having greater number of hydrogen atom, and negative part of this will add to that carbon of the double bond which is having lesser number of hydrogen atoms. But here see, both the carbons are having only one hydrogens. So how to decide? Now see, breaking of this bond in this direction will produce here positive charge, on this carbon negative charge. And if attack of H plus takes place if here, then we will get this carbocation. This carbocation is stable due to resonance with benzene ring. This is benzylic carbocation. So this is stable carbocation. Therefore addition of H plus takes place here. So obviously Br minus will attack here and we will get this product. Next question. In which of the following molecules all atoms are coplanar? Now see here, in this molecule, means this cyclohexane, all the carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized means each carbon is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral means coplanarity is not there. Now here this carbon is sp2. This carbon is also sp2. Why this carbon is sp2? This carbon is having 3 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. This carbon is having 4 sigma bond. This carbon, this carbon. So these carbons are sp3 hybridized. This carbon and this carbon. sp2 hybridization means trigonal planar. So this molecule is not having coplanarity because some carbons are sp3 hybridized also. In this compound, each carbon atom is sp3 hybridized because each carbon is having 4 sigma bond. Why 4 sigma bond? Because see this carbon, it is having 1, 2, 3 sigma bond, and here also one hydrogen is there to satisfy the tetravalency of carbon. So 4 sigma bonds are there, means this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Like that way each carbon is sp3 hybridized, so coplanarity is not there. But here each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Why sp2 hybridized? Because each carbon is having 3 sigma bond, 2 sigma bonds with carbon and 1 sigma bond with hydrogen, and 1 pi bond is there. So 3 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond means sp2 hybridization, means this compound is coplanar. So this is your answer. Next question. Alkenes are only very slightly soluble in ether, benzene, water, chloroform. 4 options are there. You know, alkenes are having very small dipole moment. So these are considered as non-polar molecule. In chemistry we know like dissolves like. Ether is polar aprotic solvent. Benzene is non-polar solvent. Water and chloroform are polar, but water is highly polar than chloroform. It is polar and it is almost non-polar. So alkenes are slightly soluble in water. In this video till this, if you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.